Well, greetings. Here we are on a Saturday. There we got Andy with the New Holland combine there, and Caroline's having a little ride in it. What a wonderful machine! So this is looking good. So Caroline is doing good there. Oh, I'm getting covered in chaff. So the combines are out. It's always exciting stuff. This is not our field, but Caroline, what do you think of that?
Oh my goodness, I love when things are unexpected like that. I really didn't expect to go in a combine harvester or even be able to film it today. So yeah, I'm so pleased that I can share this with you. There it is.
Well done, brilliant.